welcome back to the Kay and Ken's Fun Videos.
And today we're going to be making a standing glove.
So if you guys are new to our channel, please feel free to like and subscribe. So let's get on to the video. Alright guys, so if you guys would like to do this experiment too, all the ingredients are in the description box down below. Okay Kendon, so let's start this experiment.
So first we have to pour 3 tablespoons inside of this cup
of vinegar.
Alright guys, next we have to pour 2 teaspoons of baking soda into the glove. Alright guys, so after we're going to give the glove a little shake for all the baking soda to get inside of the glove. Next, we're going to put the glove over the cup.
Okay, and then get the, okay, 3, 2, 1. Get everything in. Get the baking soda in there, mixed in the vinegar.
Oop, it's going.
You guys
There it
see
is,
that?
guys.
Oh, you guys see that? It's blowing up. Woo! You guys saw that? Look at that fizziness. Look at that. And it blowed up.
The whole glove. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notifications bell. Bye!